Hi Cardinals! Today you're going to be learning how to complete a grad check. We use a grad check to help determine your progress towards graduation. You should have received these two sheets of paper. The first one is a copy of your current transcript. Your transcript includes all of the courses you have taken so far in your high school career. The other sheet is your grad check. We are going to complete this today so you can monitor your progress towards graduation. So what's on your transcript? Let's take a closer look. On your transcript, you will find the school year and the school you attended. You also find the name of the courses that you took and the letter grade and credits you received for the course. Remember that if you receive an F, you will get 0 credits and the course will need to be retaken to receive credits for it. Also, if you completed any summer school courses, they will be listed here as well. In addition to a list of all your courses, you can also find your total credits attempted, your total credits earned, your weighted GPA, and your cumulative GPA. So what's a grad check? The grad check is a form that lists all of the courses you are required to take for graduation. You need at least 220 credits to graduate. What makes up all those credits? Well, everyone is required to take 4 years of English, 2 years of math, 3 years if you are in class of 2021 or beyond, 2 years of science, a year of world history, a year of U.S. history, a semester of U.S. government, a semester of economics, 2 years of PE, 2 years of a fine art or world language or practical art, and 70 credits of electives. But that's just to graduate. If you plan to go to college, you want to make sure that you're meeting the A through G requirements. These are also listed on your grad check, and you can keep track of them. If you have more questions about your A through G requirements and your road to college, make an appointment with your counselor. So what's on the grad check? On the grad check, you want to make sure that you fill in your name, ID, graduating year, counselor, and your post-high school plan. We're also going to be filling in the total number of credits that you received. You will also be writing in any specific course information, like if your course was an honors or AP class, or if it had a specific academy title, or any specific title in general. Here you want to fill in the specific course that you took for the fine art, world language, or practical art. And finally, you want to write in the title of the elective course that you took. Remember, if you're on the road to college, you want to make sure that you are meeting your A through G requirements, which are listed here. So let's get started. Go ahead and take a look at your transcript and put your grad check next to it. Let's start with English. Find your English 9A and English 9B courses. If you received 5 credits, fill in the 5 credit mark. Now, take a look and see if you have any honors-specific courses. If any of your courses are honors or have a specific title, go ahead and add it in as well. You're going to return to this later, but this should get you started. Now let's take a look at math. We're going to do the same thing, look and check your math course, and if you received the 5 credits, fill it in. If there's a more specific title information, be sure to fill that in. However, if you failed the course and received 0 credits, you cannot put it down as completed. Now moving on to science. Remember that you need a year of life science and a year of a physical science. Life science are your biology courses, and physical science are your chemistry courses. Then moving on to social studies. Find any of your social studies courses and fill in your 5 credits that you earned if you completed the course. Now for your fine arts, world languages, and practical arts. Fill in your 5 credits that you earn and write any of the specific titles needed. Now be sure to do the same for PE. If it was a different name of a PE course, make sure that you fill that specific title in. Finally, take a look for any of your elective courses. Your elective courses can earn you credits towards graduation. Every credit counts, so make sure you fill that in and the title of the course that you took. Now it's your turn to finish it up. Keep working on your grad check. Keep your grad check somewhere safe, or take a picture of it so that you have it on your phone. And you can use this grad check when you're scheduling your classes for next year. If you have any questions, you can always make an appointment with your counselor. Have a great school year, Cardinals.